We're in Minecraft world today, kids. Spider, pig, fox. Where's Steve? There he is. I wonder, what's our story going to be like today? Are you ready? Then let's find out. See you there.
You're watching Teacher T Kids English TV.
Steve's pets. Steve has many pets. Steve has a pig, spider, and a fox. Now it's your turn to read. Steve has a pet pig. His name is Snip. Snip the pig likes cake. Now it's your turn to have a go. Steve has a pet spider. It is small and black. He likes to play hide and seek. Now it's your turn to read. Steve has a pet fox. His name is Zorro. Zorro is orange and white and likes to sleep a lot. Now it's your turn, kids. Steve loves all his pets. Now you have a go. You know what time it is. It's question time, kids. Are you ready to show all that you have learned? Then let's go. Which pets did Steve have in the story? A. A pig, a spider, a fox. B. A spider, a fish, a horse. What is the name of Steve's pig? Is it A. Snip the pig, or B. Leo the pig? What does Steve's spider like to do? A. He likes to play hide and seek. B. He likes to spin webs. What is the name of Steve's fox? A. Sorrow. B. Chance. What does Zorro like to do? A. Zorro likes to sleep a lot. Or B. Zorro likes to play with birds. Well done, kids. That was awesome. Here's a Minecraft badge for you. Which one do you like the most? Until the next time, kiddos, keep reading and learning, and most of all, have fun. I will see you soon. I am Teacher T. Bye bye, kids.